Madangi's birthday. So Madangi, I have a gift for you. I have not got one, I have got two gifts. You can choose any one. You can choose anyone. Which one you want to choose? Which looks attractive, which is your mind saying is as per the norms of the society. Correct, Matangi? Which one your mind is liking? Which is finding it more attractive? You will choose this. You can only take one gift. So you're choosing this. Please wait. We'll ask others also. Okay. Now, Sujan, your birthday. Which one your mind is telling which you like? Mind is liking. Quickly. This one. Kaushik, this one. Which one? Everybody is liking this. This is packed in newspaper. Which one? This one? Which one? Which one? Which is as per the society? Which one? This one? Which one? This one? Correct. Now, class, we'll ask Dr. Lindsay ma'am. Ma'am, which one? This one. Yes. Now, I must say 90% of people selected this, correct? Because this is how the gift is given. Nicely packed, good looking and all that. Okay, Matangi, both are same. The content inside is same. Both are same. Sujan, Kaushik, ma'am, both are same. No difference. No difference. Only difference in appearance. Difference in packaging. Which one you still want? Still you want for your birthday? Still, you know. Matangi, you're a smart girl, correct? You know both are same. Still you want only this one, correct? It is neatly packed. Okay, let's ask some more. No, both are same. Now you know. Logically it is rendume same. Ulla same. Which one is still your mind is saying I want this for my birthday? Yeah, this one. This one, good. Which one? Same one. You know both are same. You know both are same. Which one you want? This one? Majority people still want this. But you know both are same. Okay, we'll ask Dr. Lindsay ma'am. Ma'am? Same. You are a very smart woman. Okay ma'am. Ma'am? Both of you know both are same. Which one you still want? Why? Why? Why Matangi? Why everybody still wants it when you know both are same? After you get the gift, what will you do with the gift wrapper? What will you do with the gift wrapper? Throw it away, correct? What do you want? What do you want? You want the book or you want the wrapper? Which is useful for you, book or the wrapper? Then why are you choosing the wrapper? Very nice. Class, all of you, majority of you, Dr. Lindsay ma'am, Matangi, we have Sujan, Kaushik, everybody knows book is same. After you get this, what will you do? Throw it, correct? What will give value to you? The book. You want the book or you want the cover? What do you want, book or cover? Then why are you choosing the cover? It looks neatly packed, it looks presentation, correct? Isn't it? Yes. Can we give Matangi a big round of applause? Thank you, Matangi. Class, my dear friends, presentation matters. Presentation matters. Please, you may know a lot before you speak, before you communicate. If your presentation skills are not good, you saw that? Both books are same. But why are you choosing the nicely covered one? Because of presentation. Presentation matters. How many of you say you should not judge the book by the cover? You say that, right? My dear friends, psychologically it's a lie. In psychology, everybody judges the book by the cover. Everybody judges the book by the cover. You will also judge. They will also judge you. So what you should do? What you should do? Work on your presentation. Work on your looks. Please, presentation, looking good is not $1 billion industry. It's $1 trillion industry. Work on your Presentation. Work on your how you look, how you sit, how you stand. Everything matters. You can start at an entry level or you can have a mid level only because of your look. Presentation matters. You saw Dean sir how he came with a quote. Presentation matters. The way you look, that way you will even feel better. Presentation matter. Okay, now, yeah, this is called as signs of body language. This is called as art of communication. Yeah. Now, friends, we have 5 centers in Chennai. Okay, at different places. Anna Nagar we have. All of these are. We do every month 2 batches on presentation skills, speaking on the stage, body language, tonality, how to speak, English, grammar, all those things we have 3 days workshop plus 21 days follow. These are the days. 13, 14, 15 and then we have 27, 28, 29 of June. Every month we have 2 batches and many people like you. Many students come from Satyabama. We did Satyabama in 2021-22 we did. Many students come there for learning what? Presentation, how to talk on the mic, how to impact, how to express to impress. You want to impress people? You should learn that. It's a skill. Yeah. So all batches will have 21 days follow. We can have online or offline. Yeah. You get an international certification. Yes. Now, e-learning you get lifetime access. She is Sabira Merchant. Okay. She teaches, yes. Let's watch.
Hello, I'm Sabira Merchant and welcome. Welcome to my school. Well, my journey started a very, very long time ago when I was a young girl in Switzerland and I realized the power of communication. The way that you spoke to people, the charm that you exuded when you walked into a room, and how to develop your personality. So at that time, I decided there's something I wanted to do in the field of training. When I got married at a very, very young age, I had 3 children rather in a hurry. And then I decided, hello, now it's time to start this communication school. So I started teaching and I have landed right up here where you see me, where I work with the Femina Miss Indias, I work with the Mr. Indias, which is almost even more exciting with all those handsome looking men. And I teach all the communication skills to young corporates and students. See, we are communicating on a daily basis. I communicate with a waiter, I communicate with a taxi driver, I communicate with everybody daily. So what is the most important thing in life? You walk into a room, you stand there, you're looking very pretty or you're looking very handsome, but you don't open your mouth and you don't communicate. Now that is what I'm here to teach you, how to communicate. And not only communicate, but communicate very, very well and effectively. Communication skills by themselves are not enough. So we need to have some grooming and some etiquette. How do you behave at a table, for instance? How do you take hold of a fork, a knife, a spoon? Where do you put your napkin or your serviette? When you walk into a room, how do you introduce yourself? You say, hello, I'm so-and-so. And remember that what you leave behind with you is the essence of your personality with the person.
Do you know Priyanka Chopra? Priyanka Chopra's coach. Then Tiger Shroff. She teaches manners, etiquette, how to present, how to shake hands, how to say namaste, everything she teaches. Yeah. This is Lisa Nichols. Lisa Nichols is Speak and Inspire. She is world's #1 speaker. World #1 speaking motivational speaker. She teaches you how to speak from here, from the stage. Yeah. This is Paul McKenna. How many of you want to be confident? You want to be confident? Is confident important? Yes. He teaches us how to be confident.
You know that feeling of self-doubt right before a date, presentation, or a big interview? All you can think about is what could go wrong. Well, how would you like to be able to turn off the feeling of fear and have instant confidence? If you're not as confident as you'd like to be, it's not your fault. It's the fault of your programming. Human beings are largely conditioned by the significant events that happen before the age of 7. Some people say it takes years or even decades of therapy to change that. Nonsense. I've seen hundreds of thousands of people over the years overcome a lifelong fear in minutes and become totally confident. And I'll show you how. You know, a lot of the people that I help with confidence are not necessarily unconfident people. Roger Daltrey, the lead singer of The Who, uses my confidence trance before he goes on stage. He's not an unconfident person, but he wants to be in a peak state of performance. He wants to be in the zone. So when he walks on and sings at the Super Bowl in front of 1 billion people, he's in a peak state of performance. Russell Brand, the famous comedian, he does the same thing. He's not an unconfident person, but he wants to be totally in a state of focus when he walks on the stage so that he is able to give 1,000%. And I'd like to help you with that with my Mind Valley Quest on confidence. In my brand new quest with Mind Valley, I'll teach you how to turn off fear, anxiety, and self-doubt and have total self-confidence so that you have the power to go for anything you want in life. I'll show you how you can use hypnosis, NLP, and visualization to recode your mind for powerful levels of self-belief. And by the end of the program, you'll have all the tools you need to get rid of anxiety and self-doubt and have inner certainty and feel motivation to go for what you want in life. A lot of my work over the last few decades has been to help people to overcome their fears and really live their true potential. And that's what I want to help you with this Mind Valley Quest. It's time to turn down the fear and turn up your confidence. I'm Paul McKenna, and over the last few decades, I've helped millions of people to change their lives for the better. Now, I want to help you with this Mind Valley Quest to have total self-confidence.
Self-Confidence by Paul McKenna. Now, English. Is English important? Is English important? English is #1. See, after I completed my BE and MTech in chemical engineering, my first job was in Germany. Why? Because my English was good. I'm from Bangalore. So I could get an opportunity. I got directly placed in Warnia, Germany. Came back to India, then I worked for Nokia, then I worked in Nokia, Finland. I've traveled most parts of the world, from US to any other parts, because of my English. So this is pronunciation. English, pronounce. What is the correct pronunciation? Wednesday or Wednesday? Wednesday. When? D is not there. It is silent. So pronunciation, if you don't pronounce properly, bad. Yes. Then next. This is called as professional English. Having a good command in English is very, very important. Only then you can impress people. Yes. And this is world's #1 course. Yes. World's #1 course in public speaking. Stand and deliver. So you get all this workshop. And now, are you ready for a gift? How many of you are ready for a gift? Say I. Come on, ready for a gift? Say I. Now, we give for only college students. For only college students, we give 75%. How much? 75% as scholarships. Okay, this is the number. Send it. This is my office number. This is my office number. Send a message, your name, your department, and also that you attended your Jappiaar college. Okay, you will get 75%. You will get discount or you will get a scholarship.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I represent ICM, International Coaching Monks, here along with Mr. BK Dhoop, Dr. Purni, Anjuji, and finally under the guidance of Mr. Day, we work with entrepreneurs just like you to help you implement concepts like FIFO, first in, first out, JIT, just in time, management skills like Six Sigma and Lean, assembly line. And if you are looking to automate and take your business to the next level, ICM is the answer.